A couple of days ago I was at my mum's. I'm now back home, and I thought I would revisit the video that I was going to do originally, which was the linked filters. I'll put a link to the video that I actually did do, which was showing you how to do the outlines on the charts. But in this one I'll actually show you how we can set up linked filters. On this page I've got 6 different views. 5 of them are graphs, and the bottom right hand corner is a standard grid. And as you can see on the grid, I have 21 records. On the top left hand chart I can add a filter, and I can say show me where the star rating is higher than 3, and this will give me 15 results. But also it filters all the other charts as well, so as you can see here these are also filtered to show the same results, and it's filtered my list to show 15 results here. So if I remove the filter on here, you'll see that it updates all the views dynamically, so they're all now reset, and I'm back to 21 here. So these charts here, the pie chart, the line chart, the pivot, the area and the standard grid, are all linked to this master view here. This is the view inside the builder, and as you can see I have the 6 components on the page. The top left hand component I'm using as my controlling view. So if I click on the view and then I click on the chart, scroll down and put the KTL keyword in here. Now if you don't have KTL installed, I'll put a link in the video so you can set this up. All you need to do is then add _LF for linked filters, and then describe the view that you actually want to control. So in this case I have the word pie chart and line chart, and that's because I'm using the names here on the actual view. So this is my pie chart and this is my line chart. But equally I can also use Knack's view numbers. So for example here, view 548 is this view here. Now if you're using the new plugin for Neuron, you'll also see your view numbers display here, but if you're not, simply click on the view and then in the URL your view number will be exposed. So this is view 548. So once you've determined whether you want to use the actual display name, so here like pie chart, line chart, pivot chart, area chart and list of vets, or you want to use the view numbers, as I said, click on the component, click on the chart, scroll down, _LF equals, and then put your different names in. Once you've done that, back to your live app and do a refresh, and then you can set up any filter you wish on this controlling view, and it will filter all the other views dynamically. In the video that I did a couple of days ago, which showed you how to do these outlines, I'll put a link in this video so you can do this as well. I've also added it around my grid, but because there's 21 records, the table was quite a bit longer, so I actually put sticky headers on this grid and limited it so it fits nicely within inside the kind of bounding box or the shadow box. So back into the builder, on this view, if I click on here, you'll see that in the settings I have a keyword for _sticky table header, which is _STH, and the 2 parameters are, if there's more than 5 records, make the view only 400 pixels high. So this view here, from the vet's name to the bottom of the table, this is 400 pixels, and I think this works really nicely in this type of setup. So an added value there with some sticky table headers as well. If you get some value from these videos, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and if you have any questions or comments, please post it in the video. I'll be very pleased to answer any questions and queries. Also, if you've got some things that you'd like me to explore as an idea for another video, that would be very welcome. Anyway, that's it. Catch you in the next one.